Imagine this. You wake up in the middle of the night with a sharp pain in your lower back. You try to ignore it, but it gets worse and worse. You feel like someone is stabbing you with a knife. You rush to the bathroom, hoping to relieve yourself, but you can't. You feel a burning sensation when you try to urinate, and you see blood in your urine. You start to sweat and shiver, and you feel nauseous and dizzy. You realize that you have a kidney stone, and you don't know what to do. Sounds scary, right? Well, this is what millions of people go through every year, because of kidney stones. Kidney stones are hard deposits of minerals and salts that form in your kidneys, and they can cause severe pain and complications. But what if I told you that there is a way to prevent and treat kidney stones, without surgery or medication? A way that involves eating certain foods that can dissolve your stones, improve your symptoms, and protect your kidneys. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the best foods to eat for kidney health, and how they can help you get rid of your kidney stones naturally. So, if you want to learn how to eat your way to a healthier and happier kidney, keep watching. Hi, everyone, and welcome to this video. I'm here to share with you some of the most effective and easy ways to improve your health and wellness, using natural and holistic methods. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your support, I really appreciate it. Now, let's talk about the kidney. The kidney is one of the most vital organs in your body, and it performs many functions, such as filtering your blood, removing waste and toxins, regulating your blood pressure, and balancing your electrolytes. But sometimes, your kidney can get into trouble, and one of the most common problems is kidney stones. Kidney stones can affect anyone, but they are more common in men, and in people who have diabetes, obesity, or a family history of kidney stones. Kidney stones can also be caused by dehydration, infections, or certain medications. So, what are the symptoms of a kidney stone? How do you know if you have one? Well, here are some of the signs that you should look out for. 1. Pain in the back, belly, or side. The most common symptom of a kidney stone is pain. And not just any pain, but a very intense and unbearable pain that can make you scream or cry. This pain is also known as renal colic, and it usually starts when the stone moves from your kidney into your ureter, which is the tube that connects your kidney to your bladder. The stone can block the flow of urine and cause pressure and inflammation in your kidney. The pain often starts suddenly, and it can change location and intensity, depending on where the stone is. The pain can also come and go in waves, and each wave can last for a few minutes or hours. The pain can also radiate to your belly, groin, or genitals. Sometimes, the pain can be so severe that it can make you feel sick or faint. 2. Pain or burning during urination. Another symptom of a kidney stone is pain or burning during urination. This happens when the stone reaches the junction between your ureter and bladder, and irritates the lining of your urinary tract. The pain can feel sharp or stinging, and it can make you feel like you have a urinary tract infection. Sometimes, the pain can be so bad that it can make you avoid going to the bathroom, which can worsen your condition. 3. Urgent need to go for urination. A third symptom of a kidney stone is an urgent need to go for urination. This means that you feel like you have to pee all the time, even if you don't have much urine in your bladder. This happens because the stone can stimulate the nerves in your bladder, and make you feel like you have to empty it. You may also notice that you have to go to the bathroom more often than usual, especially at night. 4. Blood in the urine. A fourth symptom of a kidney stone is blood in the urine. This is also known as hematuria, and it can be a sign that the stone is scraping or cutting the walls of your urinary tract. The blood can make your urine look pink, red, or brown, and it can vary in amount and frequency. Sometimes, the blood may not be visible to the naked eye, but it can be detected by a urine test. Blood in the urine can also be a sign of other conditions, such as infections, tumors, or kidney diseases, so you should always consult your doctor if you see blood in your urine. 5. Cloudy or smelly urine. A fifth symptom of a kidney stone is cloudy or smelly urine. This can be a sign of an infection in your kidney or another part of your urinary tract. This can be a serious complication of a kidney stone, and it can cause fever, chills, nausea, and vomiting. An infection can also damage your kidney or spread to your bloodstream, which can be life-threatening. Therefore, you should seek medical attention immediately if you have any signs of an infection, such as cloudy or foul-smelling urine, along with pain, fever, or chills. 6. Small amount of urine. A sixth symptom of a kidney stone is a small amount of urine. This means that you produce less urine than normal, or that you have difficulty passing urine. This can happen when a large kidney stone gets stuck in your ureter and blocks the flow of urine completely. This can cause a buildup of pressure and fluid in your kidney and damage your kidney function. This can also lead to a condition called hydronephrosis, which is the swelling of your kidney due to the accumulation of urine. A urine blockage can also cause severe pain, nausea, and vomiting. A urine blockage is a medical emergency, and you should seek your doctor's help right away. 7. Fever and chills. The last symptom of a kidney stone is fever and chills. This is a sign of an infection in your kidney or another part of your urinary tract. This can be a serious complication of a kidney stone, and it can cause sepsis, which is a life-threatening condition where the infection spreads to your bloodstream and causes inflammation throughout your body. Any fever with pain requires urgent medical attention, and you should not delay seeking help. Chills or shivering often occur along with the fever, and they can make you feel cold and shaky. So, these are some of the symptoms of a kidney stone that you should be aware of. If you have any of these symptoms, you should consult your doctor as soon as possible and get a proper diagnosis and treatment. But what if I told you that there is a way to prevent and treat kidney stones without surgery or medication? A way that involves eating certain foods that can dissolve your stones, improve your symptoms, and protect your kidneys. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In fact, some of these foods are very common and delicious, and you may already have them in your kitchen. In my next video, I'm going to reveal to you the best foods to eat for kidney health, and how they can help you get rid of your kidney stones naturally. So, if you want to learn how to eat your way to a healthier and happier kidney, make sure to watch my next video. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon, so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.